Welcome to the Midea Cube Dehumidifier setup video. Today we'll go through the setup and operation of your Midea Cube Dehumidifier. We will be sure to highlight things that make using the cube unique compared to traditional dehumidifiers. Unboxing. Upon opening the box, you will find your new Midea Cube Dehumidifier and bucket, along with the user manual, quick start guide, and one continuous drain hose. For pump models only, a pump inlet hose and pump drain hose are also included. Using the handles, lift the bucket and dehumidifier out of the box, setting it in the area where it will be operated. Setup for bucket mode. Remove the cube dehumidifier from inside the bucket by lifting the dehumidifier handle. Then rotate the dehumidifier 90 degrees and gently set it on the bucket. You'll know the dehumidifier is correctly placed on the bucket when the arrows on the dehumidifier and the bucket line up. Additionally, the buttons on the user interface and the water level window on the bucket will be on the same side. Plug the unit in and press the power button. Controls operation. Once powered on, choose which mode to run your cube dehumidifier in. Set mode allows you to choose your desired humidity set point using the up and down buttons, as well as adjust fan speed between high or low with the fan button. The dehumidifier will then run until the desired humidity is reached, or the bucket has reached its fill level. Note that when the unit is running, the LED display shows the current room humidity. Pressing the up or down button once will show the humidity set point. Press the up or down button again to adjust your humidity set point in 5% increments. Continuous mode sets the humidity automatically so the dehumidifier runs constantly, while still allowing you to select high or low fan speed. Max, like continuous mode, sets the humidity automatically to run the dehumidifier constantly, but automatically sets the fan speed to high for maximum moisture removal. The timer button allows you to set the auto off feature or the auto on feature. To set the auto off feature, press the timer button once while the unit is running. Then use the up and down buttons to choose the desired time in hours to turn the cube dehumidifier off. To set the auto on feature, press the timer button once while the dehumidifier is off. Then use the up and down buttons to choose the desired time in hours to turn the cube dehumidifier on. The cube dehumidifier has 4 fill level settings to control how full your bucket gets. Once you choose the mode and fan speed, press the fill level button once to see the current setting, and then press it again to adjust to your desired fill level setting. The fill level indicators will illuminate as the bucket fills until reaching the fill level set point. Once the fill level set point has been reached, P2 will appear on the unit's display, and the fill level indicators corresponding to the fill level set point will illuminate. For example, the indicators under 1, 2, and 3 will illuminate when the fill level set point 3 is reached. Emptying the bucket. To empty the bucket, lift the dehumidifier off the bucket using the dehumidifier handle and set it to the side. Carry the bucket to a nearby sink or drain and empty the water out of the side with the water level window and away from the water relief holes in the back. Return to your cube dehumidifier and set the unit back on the bucket, ensuring it's properly aligned. Your dehumidifier will retain its previous settings and begin running shortly after being seated on the bucket. Setup for bucketless mode. One of the unique features of the cube dehumidifier is the ability to operate without the bucket installed. This bucketless mode operates similarly to the continuous draining mode, but without the bucket, allowing it to fit in smaller spaces. Bucketless mode must be enabled within 3 minutes of plugging in the dehumidifier. Therefore, it's best to set it up, then plug it in and initiate bucketless mode. Set the dehumidifier directly on the surface or floor of the area to be dehumidified. Attach the drain hose to the continuous drain port and set the other end of the hose in the drain. Ensure the hose slopes down to the drain and does not raise higher than the drain port. Plug in your dehumidifier and then press and hold the up and fill level buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. If done correctly, within 3 minutes of plugging in the power cord, the bucketless mode icon will appear in the bottom right of the unit's display and begin to operate. Set your cube dehumidifier to the desired settings, noting that the bucket fill level LEDs do not operate when in bucketless mode. Periodically check your cube dehumidifier, ensuring proper operation. Setup for continuous draining. Water can be continuously drained from your cube dehumidifier by connecting the included continuous drain hose or a user-supplied garden hose to your cube dehumidifier. To set this up, before you place your dehumidifier on the bucket, remove the continuous drain cover from the back of the bucket by pressing here. Save the cover if you plan on changing modes in the future. Place the dehumidifier onto the bucket and remove the continuous drain plug to attach your drain hose. To connect the included continuous drain hose, insert the end of the hose inside the continuous drain port, ensuring the hose is fully seated. For garden-style drain hoses, you'll screw on the end of the hose until it is fully seated. Place the other end of the drain hose on or in the drain, checking to make sure the hose slopes down. Set your Cube Dehumidifier to the desired settings, noting that the bucket fill level LEDs do not operate when the continuous drain hose is installed. Set up for drain pump mode. For Cube Dehumidifiers with the integrated drain pump, first set up your bucket for continuous draining operation by removing the continuous drain cover. Next, install the pump inlet hose on the side of the dehumidifier, ensuring the fitting fully inserts and seats into the connector. Lift the dehumidifier and set it onto the bucket, ensuring proper alignment and that the pump inlet hose sits inside the bucket. This must be inside the bucket for proper operation and to prevent damage to the pump. Connect the pump drain hose to the back of the dehumidifier by inserting the hose into the pump drain connector. Check that it is fully inserted and seated into the connector. Set the other end of the pump drain hose in the desired drain location. The pump can pump up to 14 feet above the hose connection on the unit if necessary. Ensure that the end of the hose is secured to the drain. Initiate pump mode by pressing the up and down buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. If done correctly, a pump indicator will appear on the top left of the unit's display. Set your Cube Dehumidifier to the desired settings, noting that the bucket fill level feature does not operate when in pump mode. The pump may generate a loud noise the first 3 to 5 minutes of the first operation. Periodically check your dehumidifier for proper operation and that the pump inlet hose screen is free of any dirt or debris. Clean as necessary. Air filter removal. Remove the 2 air filters and rinse with clean water, allowing them to fully dry before reinstalling. If the filter indicator appeared on the display, press and hold the fan button for 3 seconds to reset the clean filter indicator. Storage. To store the Cube Dehumidifier, unplug the power cord from the wall and empty the bucket of all water. Wipe any excess water from the bucket. Press the tabs on the bucket lock feature, allowing the dehumidifier to insert into the bucket. Ensure the power cord is secured inside the channel on the back corner. Lift and gently lower into the bucket, ensuring the slots on the unit are aligned with the supports in the bucket. Coil up the power cord and set it on top of the dehumidifier. Your Cube Dehumidifier is now ready for storage until its next use. Thank you for watching the instructional video for your Midea Cube Dehumidifier.